Hey guys, today I have a PR haul for you. But first I wanted to show you some things that I didn't get in PR but I bought the other day and I'm really excited about. So let's get into that. I'll save the things I'm most excited for a second, but first I want to show you what I got from LUSH, because I just want to get myself some things from LUSH the other day because I wasn't feeling that great, so I thought, treat yourself. So the reason I actually went into LUSH was because I really wanted to get one of their new candles. They have candles now, which is awesome. Mind you, they are so expensive. $27 for this tiny candle. But anyway, this is the LUSH candle in the scent Sleepy, which is my absolute favourite scent from LUSH, and it smells so amazing. And I really want to get in the habit of lighting this before bed, so my whole room smells like this before I go to bed. But oh, it smells so good. I'm so excited about that. And then I got some other things in there. I got the Worry Monster Bubble Bar, and I bought this because the little description was so cute. It says, whisper your concerns to the lavender and fennel, I don't know if I'm saying that right, scented Worry Monster, then crumble them under the tap and watch your worries dissolve into lilac waters, which I just thought was super cute. And this is what he looks like, his little bubble bar. And I think he smells great, but Mum hates the way he smells, so yeah, I think he was just so cute. And then the other thing I got was just a bath bomb. I got Sex Bomb. I've had this one around for ages. Oh, it just smells so good. Absolutely love that. LUSH is just so good. Like, good smells just make me so happy. So yeah, that was what I got from LUSH. And then I went to DUSK. So DUSK brought out their Streets collection, and I knew I had to get it when I saw it. I was so late to the bandwagon on this one, but I went to the first store and I could only get three of them. Three of them. Buffalo Bill had sold out, and then I thankfully went to another store and they had Buffalo Bill, which I'm so excited about. So I'm going to show you. So the first one they have is Golden Gay Time. This one is toffee, vanilla and chocolate. And I just absolutely love the packaging of these. I think they are the cutest little things ever. This one says Golden Summer Days, and it smells absolutely incredible. So good. Then we have Paddle Pop. This one just says it's classic rainbow. Oh, illustrations hand drawn in-house. That's super cute. And then so that is the Paddle Pop one. This one says Somewhere Over the Rainbow. And I think this smells absolutely incredible. Once again, my mum hates the smell of this one, but oh, it's so good. It's super sweet. She's not a very sweet girl, so. Then we have the Splice one. This one is pineapple and lime. I actually got two of these because Mum really liked it, so I bought her one as well. And this one says Splice of Heaven. It smells so good. It's super fresh, but also like sweet as well. Like, it smells exactly like a splice. It's actually crazy. Then for the main event, the Buffalo Bill candle. This one is strawberry and bubblegum, and this, I can see why it's sold out because I think this one smells the best. It's so good. So good. So that's how this one looks, and it's super cute as well. And this one says Bubbles O Fun. And oh, I wish you guys could smell this through the camera. I honestly wish. But it's absolutely incredible. Like, so good. I never ever want to burn it. I'm so sad because I wish I had like been able to buy more, but I got the last one, so. But yeah, I was just super excited about those, so I wanted to show you. And now we'll get onto the PR stuff. So first I have this package from Benefit. They sent it over, which was super nice of them. A little card says, be your own kind of beautiful. It says, gorgeous Sophie, thank you so much for being a part of our Club Pink journey. We hope you love these little gifts. Much love, the Benefit team, which is super sweet. I love the handwritten letters. And in here they've given me a little, I'm blanking, like an eyebrow brush. Super cute. So one end it's got like the actual brush, and then the other end it has a spoolie, which is super cute. It's called the dual-ended angle eyebrow brush. And then they also gave me a Gimme Brow, which I absolutely love Gimme Brow. It's so good. And then the last thing they gave me was the Benefit Brow Pomade, which I actually haven't tried before, so I'm super excited about that. So that's it there. And then they also sent over like a couple little stickers, which is super cute. I just love this kind of stuff. Like, I just think, oh, they're just so cute. So yeah, thank you so much Benefit for sending that over. I really appreciate it. And then I've got a couple of packages from Laura Mercier. So the first one is their Lip Glaze Hydrating Balm Glosses. So they sent me over 5 shades. And this is what they look like. They're super pretty. So we have Rose, I think it's Vanilla, Cream Caramel, Baby Doll and Rose Syrup. And they look absolutely incredible. Like, I'm so excited to try those. And they're such nice shades too. So yeah, thank you so much for that, Laura. And then we have one last package. So once again from Laura. Okay, and this is the Tinted Moisturizer Blush, which is super exciting. Weightless cream cheek colour. And once again, there's some of her little handwritten note, which is just so special to me. So they have 14 shades of this, but obviously they didn't send me all 14. But they did send me quite a few actually. And they've also sent me over this drink bottle, which is just so sweet. I love stuff like this. Like, I collect it all around my room and just put it around my room, and it's just so special to me. Like, you know, just these things that you can't really buy in store, and they just remind me that, like, I don't know, it's just, it really keeps me going. I just love stuff like this. I think it's so cool. So they sent me over 5 shades. So I have, I can't say this, Provence, which looks like that, like a light pink. Then we have French Riviera, which is like a little bit darker, like brown. We have LA Piscine, I don't know, that one's like pink. And then we have Mediterranean, which is like a little bit more of like a corally, darker pink. And then we have Corsia, I'm so sorry, I'm probably butchering all these names, which is like a brown with like a little bit like of a sparkle through it. So you can see like the variation of shades there, like they look so pretty. I really want to try, let's open one of them. So this is Corsia. And this is how they look here in the little package. It's so cute. And yeah, they look super nice. So I'm super keen to try those out. So once again, thank you so much, Laura Mercier. That was so sweet of you guys, and I really appreciate it. This stuff honestly really does keep me motivated. It makes me realise that I am doing this for a reason, and I do have people that believe in me. So that honestly means the absolute world. But yeah, this video is a lot shorter than I thought it would be. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you so much to Benefit and Laura Mercier for sending me stuff and always believing in me. And thank you to you guys for watching my videos and always supporting me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!